Lots of boats here, and a bunch of signs that say Honda. This must be the place. And there's my MacGregor with a brand new Honda 50.
How'd you do this before?
Sometimes I have to put blocks under the wheels of the car. Yeah, maybe if you lift the trailer with the forklift.
Yeah, I'll get it for you. Just secure your load, lock all your stuff, and you are good to go.
All right. And back at my house, there's the Carver, and there's the MacGregor, my two remaining boats. The MacGregor is a lot skinnier than the Carver, and 1 foot shorter. And I got new ropes for everything on the MacGregor. And so the cleaning and restoring and fixing is about to commence. Every time I try to clean inside, I brush up against this sail that I guess was rolled up like out in a lawn or something, and has so much dirt in it that I'm gonna have to clean the sail before I can clean inside the boat, or at least get the sail out of there. And some of the dirt was fine mud that went on the sail wet and then sort of dried in there. And it's probably the worst thing in the world to do to a sail, but I'm using a scrubber on the drill to get out any of the caked on mud, and I'll have to do this actually on both sides. I do the one side one afternoon and let it dry out, and then do the other side. And one of the advantages of having a front yard full of boats is that you can hang sails up in between them like a giant hammock, and hose stuff off of them and let them hang up there and dry. So this is the next day, and I'm cleaning the other side of the sail, which looks pretty much like cleaning the first side. But you can see how the dirt is disappearing, and once I'm done, I can have the satisfaction of hosing that big pile of mud off of the sail. And there's the sail cover that also needs to be cleaned. It gets the same hose and brush treatment. And once again gets hung up to dry. And now that the sail's clean and dry, I can properly fold it and put it in the sail cover. And for now, I'm going to store it inside the house so I can have room in the boat.